Yeah, the best tool that anyone can use when it comes to managing the weather during a winter situation, ice, snow, freezing fog, blowing, drifting snow, anything, is a direct one-on-one relationship with a human meteorologist. Um, Data is great, radar is great, all the new tools and the tricks and everything is really cool, and we've come a long way, but there are a lot of times where it just doesn't do that great. And having that ability to talk to an expert meteorologist, a human that is interested in the results for you specifically, and is paid to be accurate for you, can change the entire way you function as a company. It can eliminate wasted time, wasted cost, product, you name it, and it can maximize profits beyond your belief, essentially. And so, coming up at the workshop, we're going to talk about how we can do this for you, how you can utilize these resources and these tools to help you save time and make money.